Hello friends, welcome back to C Programming tutorial series. Welcome to Eduvert. In previous lecture you have seen that about the introduction, history and features of C Programming, and in today's lecture we are going to learn about now basic structure of a C program. That means how we write the C program. What is the basic structure of a C program? So whenever we write any program, then we have to follow one structure, while writing the program. That means on the basis of that structure we write every program. So we can see here, first there is the comment section. That means inside these brackets, is forward slash asterisk. Inside this one we write the comments. This is the additional information for any program, and this is non-executable part of a program. That means it will give you some additional information. We can write anything within the comments, and this is non-executable. That means there is no any effect of comments. Whatever we write inside the comments, there is no any effect in the program's working. Then there is the preprocessor and header files. That means here you can see one example. Following the basic structure, one example has been enlisted here, given here. So here is the header file, stdio and conio.h. These are the two header files. About this detailed information in coming lectures we will discuss about it. So studio.stdio.h and conio.h, these are the two basic header files. And let me tell you briefly, in header files, some library functions are stored, and if we want to use any library functions, then through these header files we can use the library functions. So different library functions are available. In upcoming lectures and classes we shall discuss about these library files and their functions too. And let me tell you, we can access those library files for the functions. For suppose printf, scanf, these functions, library functions are accessible through this stdio.h header file. Similarly, there is conio.h header file. So different types of header files. math.h, string.h is there. So different header files are used within a program. And if we want to access any library functions, then through these header files only we can access it. Then there is a function header. If we are declaring any, if we are writing any user-defined functions within the program, then first of all we have to declare the prototype of any function, that is called function header. So this is the function prototype, which is the function header. So we have to declare the function. First of all, user-defined function first of all, then only we can use it. So you can see in this section there, the function is being defined. So first we declare it, then we define the function. Then there is a global declaration. That means if we want to declare any variables globally, then we can declare it in this section. Then there is a void main. This is the main part of the function. That means the execution of the program will start from this main function. That means the entry, this is the entry point of a program, so to say. Then there is a declaration part. So for declaration of any variables, we use this declaration part, and after declaring the variables and all, then there is the executable part. So this is the executable part. This part of the program is the main part, where execution takes place. You can see printf, scanf, these are the library functions. As I've already told you, it is accessible through this stdio.h header file. Then after you can see, there is a user-defined function. So this is the user-defined function. From here, user-defined function started, and this is the body of our user-defined function. So whatever we write inside the body, that will be the definition of any user-defined function. That means we are defining here the user-defined function. So this is the basic structure. First of all, there is the comment, then header files, then function header, then global declaration, then main module, then there will be declaration part of the main module, then executable part will be inside the main module, Then after there is the user defined function, and let me tell you, user defined function could be written before this main module also, there is no any problem, but generally we write the main module, then we write the user defined module, okay, in the program. So this is the basic structure. Now I am going to show you, okay, what type of, okay, output does this program which is written here will give in the computer system. So I am going to type this program in the computer and I will show you, okay, how it works. So let's come to the computer system.
Hello friends, welcome back. Now I am gonna show you to run the program which I have let's see the run the program which I have written just on the whiteboard. So let us run the program. So I have a compiler called dev C++. It's a recent version, 4.9.9.2 version. So you can use any compiler for running the C program. File, new source file. Okay, let us start to type hash include stdio.h. So as I've already told you, comments are just okay, optional. If you like, you can write comments, and if you don't like, you can just exclude those comments also. It's a non-executable portion of a program. So I am just removing that comments. No need to write that comments. Now hash include, then I'm starting with the header files, conio.h, then it's studio.h, conio.h, then we write the some function header, some int, then we give the global declaration ints. Now we give the main function void main, then we start to give the declaration part, let's give int a comma b. These are the variables. So here s is global variable, a and b are the local variables which is declared in the main module. This s global variable is accessible from all of its scope, and this local variable is accessible within that scope only. That means a and b value could be used within the main module only. It cannot be used in the other modules. Then we give printf enter any two numbers, then scanf %d, comma %a, comma %b to enter the two numbers, and it will be stored in the variable a and b. Then we use a variable s to call the function sum a comma b. Then we give the printf for printing purpose sum equals %d s. Then we use the getCS to hold the screen. So in this way we have completed the main module. Now let us start the user defined function module. int sum, int x, comma int y. Then we give the body of the user defined function int z, then z equals x plus y, then return z. Now let us try to run this program, compile it first, and it will tell you to save the file first. So this is our C program. Let us give the file name. Let us give it's my first program, and then save as type it's .c. the extension of C program is .c. then we give the save. Program is compiling. Some error has been shown. Now you can see a error has been shown. Okay, here comma is missing. Let us run the program again. You can use Ctrl plus F9 for compiling. This is the shortcut key. Okay, program is being compiled. No any error. Now let us run it. Try to run it. Okay, now here it has asked to enter any two numbers. Now let us try to enter any two numbers. Let's say 2, 3. Now you can see the output is shown sum equals 5. That means sum of 2 and 3 is 5. So in this way this program works. So this here we can see header file, then this is our function header, or we can say function prototype. Then here is global declaration of the variable int s. Then after there is the main module. Then here is the declaration part of the main module, and these all are the executable part of the main module. Then this is the user defined function, and this is the body of the function. So this is the basic structure of a function that every C program must have to follow. So guys, I hope you all have understood the basic structure of a C program. So if there is any questions, queries, okay, if you want to ask something, then you can just do comment, okay, below in the comment section. I hope guys you all have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, if you are enjoying these videos, then please I request you to like, subscribe, share, okay, among your friends, so that I might be encouraged, okay, to make some more this type of videos for you all. So thank you for watching. Now let's meet in the next tutorial video. Thank you very much.